You visit web pages every day. But what makes them interactive? Sliding menus, clicking buttons, pop-ups? That's JavaScript. So let's dive in. JavaScript is a powerful programming language that makes web pages interactive. It's a key player in web development, enabling features like dynamic content, form validation, and seamless user interactions. JavaScript is a scripting language that runs in your browser, adding functionality to web pages. It's the brain of a web page, making it interactive and responsive to user actions. Created in 1995 by Brendan Eich in just 10 days, JavaScript has evolved into one of the widely used programming languages. Its flexibility allows developers to build everything from simple websites to complex web applications. JavaScript is essential for building interactive web applications. It enables dynamic content updates, allowing web pages to respond instantly to user actions like clicks and typing, making the user experience seamless and engaging. With JavaScript, web pages can change content dynamically without needing to reload. This includes showing or hiding elements, changing styles, and updating information based on user inputs and enhancing overall interactivity. JavaScript also allows developers to capture user actions like clicks, key presses, and mouse movements. This way you can create responsive elements on a page, such as buttons that trigger animations or forms that validate input in real time. JavaScript also powers many popular frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue for front-end development, and Node.js for back-end. These frameworks simplify app creation and provide powerful tools for building dynamic single-page applications. So, JavaScript is more than just a programming language. It's a crucial part of web development. Its ability to create dynamic interactive experiences makes it a must-learn tool for developers looking to build modern web applications. Thank you.